Today is Wednesday, May the 24th, 2017. The time being 4:55 p.m. Central Time or Charleston, Missouri time. First, I want to say happy birthday to a very special person that was in my life when I was growing up. Rocia Dawson from the north side of Chicago, Cabrini Green, also known as Bay Honey. May she rest in peace. Me and my family send peace and love to her and her family. Also, I want to say justice for Tory D. Sanders, a 28-year-old black man from Nashville, Tennessee, who lost his life on May the 5th, 2017 on a Friday here in the Mississippi County Detention Center jail in Charleston, Missouri, under the watch of some of the Sheriff Department staff and some of the Charleston Police Department staff. Also, I want to say justice for all the other individuals who was wrongfully murdered here in this town and anywhere else on earth. Also, since we focus on Charleston, Missouri, I ask that we get justice for all of those who was wrongfully arrested, wrongfully convicted, and wrongfully sentenced by the individuals here that run the law enforcement in the court system in Charleston, Missouri, Mississippi County, 33rd Circuit. Now, just this month, the Missouri State Attorney General came down here and put 18 charges on the former sheriff of the Mississippi County Detention Center. Then he had to come down here because of the fact of the young man who lost his life on May the 5th of 2017 here in the jail. And he asked the judge to remove the sheriff of all of his duties. But now, all of a sudden, the city, Missouri City State's attorney here in Charleston, Missouri, Darren K. Kane, that's C-A-N-N, all of a sudden he said him and his staff gonna have to look over all the cases that the former sheriff, Corey Hutchinson, had brought to them, and they filed. Now, they went to law school. Why do you have to go over? You knew whether they was good or bad when you got them. I'm going to tell you how corrupted Darren Kane and his staff is. On April the 9th of 2016, an officer by the name of Zach Albright, who was a police officer first in Charleston, Missouri, then 2 or 3 years ago, he came to Charleston, Missouri. Then just 6 months after the death of Tory D. Sanders in the detention center, he left here. Now he's in New Madrid County as either a sheriff or a police officer in New Madrid Missouri Police Department. But now, look at the report that Zach Albright wrote on me and gave it to Darren Kane, and Darren Kane filed charges with an affidavit that he knew was false against me by this police officer. The police officer admitted to me that he was pressured to file that. He told me that personally. He said that they pressured him to file in that because I'm an activist here in Charleston, Missouri, revealing the unjust and the corrupted system here. But let me tell you, Darren Kane, when he went to trial on this case, that they put me on a misdemeanor harassment charge for videoing a guy on April the 9th for telling children just a few feet away from my house that I raped children, which is not true. I videoed him to document, to show what he's in the neighborhood doing. But Darren Kane, when we went to court, Darren Kane brought up 40 years ago when I was arrested on a homicide. And all of a sudden, he wouldn't reveal the fact that the witness that he had was convicted in 1998 of voter fraud. That's withholding evidence. I'm asking the Missouri State Attorney General in the United States Justice Department to investigate every case that Darren Kane and his staff filed here in Mississippi County in Charleston, Missouri. Look at every police report that I filed, and look at all the police reports they refuse to let me file in this state. I leave you as I came. Everybody that's watching this, ask for an investigation of Darren Kane here. See, he gonna look at them cases. He ain't gonna clear up nothing that he filed to. He's corrupted just like the judges that they go in front of. Peace be still.